here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Segue 2. Before I show you the bottom of the hull cleaning, the customer did have a request. He was very curious as to how deep his keel and rudder were in the mud, if at all. His rudder, at this current time, being the morning of Monday the 29th, is sitting about 4 inches above the mud, his rudder. His keel is just barely grazing the mud as of now. So right at the mud, just about 2 to 4 inches above the mud. Alright, let's go ahead and see the cleaning.